2026 GMC Terrain Preview. What to expect? GMC is introducing a fully redesigned Terrain for the 2025 model year. At the time of this writing, the 2025 Terrain is yet to land. At the time of launch, the Terrain will only be available in a single elevation trim. Higher trims like the rugged at4 and Denali will come out in 2025 as 2026 models, while the 2026 Terrain elevation should be a carryover model. Here's what shoppers need to know about the 2026 GMC Terrain. With the 2025 GMC Terrain arriving as a fully redesigned model, we expect the overall design of the SUV to remain the same for 2026. The introduction of the at4 and Denali trims, though, should bring slightly different designs than the 2025 Terrain elevation. Compared to the elevation trim, the at4 will have a more robust design with a rugged front bumper, an updated grille, and a revised rear bumper. GMC has confirmed that the Terrain at4 will come with a selectable at4 Terrain mode, underbody protection shield, animated headlights and tail lights, red recovery hooks, and 17-inch all-terrain tires. The 2026 Terrain Denali will feature a more upscale design with chrome exterior trim, a unique front end with a large chrome grille, a special front fascia, and a special rear bumper. GMC has confirmed that the Terrain Denali will come with 19-inch wheels, as well as animated headlights and tail lights. The 2026 Terrain will have the same overall interior design as the 2025 model with a large vertically oriented touchscreen sitting in front of the dash, vertically oriented air vents flanking the screen, a row of toggle switches sitting below the screen, and a tiered dashboard. The 2026 GMC Terrain should continue to have the same interior design as the 2025 model, but the introduction of the at4 and Denali trims will add some extra flair to the SUV. Based on limited photos of the Terrain at4 and Denali, we expect the trims to come with nicer interior materials and special badges. The Denali should come with a unique Denali branded steering wheel and the at4 should have unique seats. GMC hasn't confirmed all of the tech features for the 2025 Terrain yet, but the 2026 GMC Terrain should come with the same features. The 2026 Terrain will come with a 15-inch touchscreen and an 11-inch digital instrument cluster. The SUV's infotainment system will have Google built-in compatibility, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We expect the 2026 Terrain at4 and Denali to come with more tech features than the base elevation trim. 2026 GMC Terrain engine and specs. The 2026 GMC Terrain is expected to be powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 175 horsepower and 203 pound-feet of torque. The engine comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive or a continuously variable automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Both the Terrain at4 and Denali trims will come with standard AWD and hill descent control. The at4 trim will feature a lifted ride height and an exclusive terrain mode, while the Denali features smart frequency dampers. 2026 GMC Terrain Safety. GMC hasn't confirmed all of the safety features for the 2025 GMC Terrain, but the 2026 Terrain should come with the same tech. Standard features will include automatic emergency braking, pedestrian and bicyclist detection, intersection assist, rear cross-traffic alert, reverse automatic emergency braking, and blind zone steering assist. The at4 and Denali trims should come with more advanced safety features. 2026 GMC Terrain Price. Pricing information for the 2026 GMC Terrain isn't available yet. GMC hasn't confirmed pricing for the 2025 model either. The Terrain at4 and Denali should cost more than the base elevation trim. At the time of writing, the current Terrain on sale starts at $30,095 and goes up to $39,995. We expect the 2026 Terrain to cost more than this. Competitors in the compact SUV segment include the Subaru Forester, Mazda CX-50, Honda CR-V, Volkswagen Tiguan, and Ford Bronco Sport. 2026 GMC Terrain release date. The 2026 GMC Terrain should come out before the end of 2025. More information on the 2026 Terrain should come out within the next few months.